Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Greek pasta salad full guide. Start by boiling 12 ounces of pasta until al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water to stop cooking. While the pasta cools, chop cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Crumble 6 ounces of feta and pit 20 Kalamata olives. Mix dressing and toss everything gently until evenly coated. For the dressing, combine 1 3-cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon dried oregano in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and whisk until smooth and slightly thickened. Taste and season with 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoon black pepper, adjusting to preference. Pour over the cooled pasta and vegetables, then toss thoroughly so every bite gets balanced, tangy flavor through and through. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free help to any kitchen, perfect for setting a cooking playlist or timers while you prep. I've linked it and other deals in the description below for easy access. Thanks for watching and for your support. Now let's get back to the video. When assembling, fold vegetables and cheese into the pasta, using a wide spoon to maintain texture and shape. Drizzle most of the dressing and reserve a little for later so the salad doesn't become soggy. Chill for at least 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld and let the dressing penetrate the pasta. Before serving, taste and add any final seasoning, then garnish with extra feta and herbs for a fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.